Hello, hello. I'm Steve Reinharz, CEO of Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions. This is your weekly update, and it's a little bit late. A little bit late today. It's Sunday afternoon when I'm recording this, but I'm not going to miss it. I'm not going to miss it. Sure. A little tired. Sure. But there's too much exciting stuff to happen. And there's too many RAD team members right now, RAD and AITX team members right now, today, working on tech, working on software, working on deployments. We are busy. So when we have a team that expresses their commitment and devotion to the mission to the extent that they do, you can bet I'm going to dig deep and find the energy to keep our beloved community up to date. So let's talk about a few different things. The first thing is just by virtue of the travel that I've been doing lately, I've accumulated another 100,000 air miles, sky miles, whatever. So I will ask the community where to donate those to, because you guys know, or maybe you do now, that whenever I hit 100,000, I ship it off to charity, usually a veterans-related charity. So anyway, just a fun little thing that's coming out in the next couple of days. But been gaining these air miles by flying around, and those who follow know that Mark and I, RAD's president, Mark Folmer, and I, were at some big client meetings and presentations on Thursday, and it went great, And to get Mark and I on a plane to go somewhere together is a big deal. It's a big deal to get the president and the CEO, customer facing. So just think about that. Usually we really divide and conquer. We have, pretty clear lines of areas where we focus on. So anyway, it's just notable, which is why I bring it to you. I bring it to you because I think it's notable. I can't share more details because I want to limit speculation, and I, as always, want to respect our partner's process as well. We'll see how it develops. It's a big, big, big deal with a big, big company, and it could take months more to develop and mature. And of course, there's always risk that it fizzles out along the way. Anyway, that's one of the reasons why I also don't want to share too much right now. Anyway, that's where we were on Thursday, and Friday was an exciting night getting home. But I mentioned that we've had operations and production teams working overtime. Match that with software developer teams, match that with our purchasing team and finance teams. The company is just on overdrive right now as we race towards the end of our fiscal year on February 28th. One of the things that we did is that very first Rio got deployed. It got deployed on Friday, December the 2nd. Check out this video that's rolling right now. Early feedback from the client is overwhelmingly positive. And the team, their deployment teams, our deployment guys, love the device, love the device. So I've shared that Rio is a product with a lot of potential. It's nice to see the first one get out there. I need everybody pay attention on December 7th because there's going to be some Rio news on the 7th as well. A couple notes on the 7th, okay? Registration is full. It's going to be a big event. And I've been working really hard to share with everybody that this event is coming and that I think that fans, followers, and investors should tune in. And it's important, after I was talking with Securities Council, that we make sure that that event is as accessible as possible. As a result, tomorrow morning, there'll be a press release and an 8K about the event. So that'll be going out tomorrow. You'll see that. As I mentioned, registration is full. Unit will be live streamed. I believe it will be live streamed with the best production quality that we've ever had. So we're bringing in some proven talent to make that happen. A 3-camera shoot. I'm excited about that. That frees up other talent to make sure the rest of the event goes really well. So we're staffing up to have really, really good events, which are important because we're talking to an industry that is really watching us. I've got a decent following in the security industry. Mark Folmer, our president, again, has a significant following and some executive positions on, ASIS and other groups. So we need to represent. But more than that, we need to communicate in a format that's easy to absorb and has credibility and integrity to it. So that's one of the reasons why, in this case, we're upping our production quality for that reason. Okay. Note, after Wednesday's event, we will be filing an 8K with highlights. There will be a press release with the highlights, which will be 8K'd. That's how notable and important I think this event is. Okay, more things on this coming week. I expect 1 to 2 more press releases. There's just a lot happening. There's a lot of information that's going to be coming out, and my job is to make sure that it's fairly disseminated. Everybody has equal access to it. But the bottom line is, I can't wait to share it with you. Very excited about this event. A little bit nervous. We're showing some really cool things, and doubtless Murphy's Law will take effect. Anyway, everybody, I hope you're enjoying a great weekend. I look forward to the event on the 7th and communicating with you between then and now. Thank you very much.